Hey there. Welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm Terry. So today I'll be doing my crochet braids with my Marley Twist, and these are the products that I'll be using for this style. I'm going in with the Mega Energy hair wax gel, and also I'll be using the Canada hair wax, and I will be moisturizing my hair with the Cantu daily oil moisturizer and sealing that with the wild growth oil. So I'm using this 3x Afro Marley Twist hair, and it's 12 inches long and it's in the color number 1, so that's like jet black. So I'm just going in and I am taking down each section of my hair, and I'm moisturizing with my Cantu daily moisturizer, and I'm sealing that in with the wild growth hair oil. Now I'm just going in and I'm just adding extra moisture to my scalp because this hair will be in for a while. I just want to ensure that my scalp is well moisturized. I'm just sectioning out the front part of my hair because I'll be doing the individual crochet method on the front, whereas the back I will be just doing the regular crochet method with on the cane roller. So in the front, I'm just doing some rough partings, like some rough sectioning to see where I want to put my twists, just to take the hair like out of the way and just so I can have a map of what I will be working with. This also kind of gave me an idea as to how many crochet braids I will need for the front of my hair, so that I don't run out using up everything at the back. So this gave me a rough idea of how many hair I would need like to go on the front. So that's what the front is looking like so far, and now I'm on to the back, guys. Like, is my hair growing, guys? Like, I'm doing a little in check here. I really need to start taking my hair growth journey like seriously and just, you know, start taking care of my hair more. So I'm just going to like braid the back part of my hair going down. Towards the end, I ended up with 7 cornrows going back. I have 3 on each side and 1 in the middle. I ensure that the 1 cornrow is in the middle so that when I do the crochet braid around the back, I don't have this gap like in the center of my head. So you guys will see that pattern soon. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. 3 on the side, 1 in the center, and now I have this dinosaur tail. Merge everything together to get that dinosaur tail, and now I'm taking the crochet tool and I will be pulling that underneath the cornrow. For excess, sorry, I can't talk. For extra security, guys, you can sew your hair down. But for like a quick fix, you can always use your crochet tool to pull that under your braid. So I did use 2 packs of Marley Twist crochet braids for this style. This is an info card telling you how to maintain and take care of the hair, and there's also some instructions on the back of the pack too. This is what the twist looks like. Everyone knows what a Marley Twist looks like right now. That's a 12-inch, and up top you do have that little loop that you can push your finger through for grip. We're doing the basic crochet method here. We're just pulling the hair underneath our braid, opening up the loop, and we're pulling that hair through. You can do like a single knot or a double knot if you want, but for me, I thought that a single knot was enough then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the rest of the back of my head. Also guys, bear in mind that when you're starting out with the back, you don't want to put the hairs too close to each other because you would definitely run out of hair. But as you're moving upwards towards the top of your head, you want to add them in closer. So this is what it is looking like when the back is like finished. Now we're on to the front, and I will be going in and I'm sectioning out my hair and making it neater, and then I'll just go in with my edge control to the base, you know, to lay my hair down and make the partings neat. So here guys, you will see that I will twist like all the sections, but just the pointer for extra security. You guys want to, I should have like braided my hair just down just a little bit and then twist out the ends of my hair. I'm saying this because like I am like 1.5 weeks in with this hairstyle, and I realized that the crochet braid, like it's kind of sliding away from the root. So to prevent that, if you do like a plait or a braid going downwards just a little bit, it will secure your hair better. So because my hair is like fine and really light, like the weight of that crochet braid is kind of like, you know, sliding the hair down. The hair is just sliding down with my day-to-day activity of me having my hair up and the hair is moving around. So for that extra security, I should have like braided from the root down a little and then twisted the end. So here I'm just going to show you 2 methods of applying the crochet to your hair with the individual method. You want to like push that crochet underneath that section, and then you will like pull the knot down on the base. Now you're just going to like open the twist just a little up to the root there, and you're going to pull your twist in between that. Now that it's in between, you want to take your time and like loop your hair in between those gaps from the crochet twists. With this method, it is quick, but like over time with your hair moving around, your twist will start to come out, especially if your hair is like really short, because I remember doing this on my hair when it was super short, and like my hair was just flying all over the place. With your hair being long, there is more like, what's the word? With your hair being long, there's a higher chance of it staying in, but this method is not as secure as the other method that I will be showing you guys. So this is just for like a quick fix. Now I'm on to the top. I will be showing you guys the other method. You're gonna pull your crochet braid under that twist. You're going to take your hair as well as the crochet hair, and you're going to pull those through the loop. Ensure that it is secure to your roots. Now you're going to take your crochet tool and you're going to push that tool like from the like halfway down the twist. You're going to push it upwards, like in between the twists. You're going to push it upwards up until you reach where your twist is. You're going to take your hair and like close the latch on it and pull it through the twist. With this method, your hair is more secured inside and it won't budge and it is hidden. This method, however, it takes a lot more time if you're not like an expert at it, because the first time I tried it, it was like it took a while, but once you keep on doing it, eventually you get used to it and it will get easy. But it does take more time than the first method that I show you guys. As you guys can see, you can flip your hair in any direction that you want and it will look as if you did like a twist like from scratch. So I'll just finish off the rest of my hair, and now I'm just going in and doing, you know, my baby hairs and a regular swooped in, dooped in, you know, the regular degular. This part is optional, of course. So here I'm just snipping off any flyaways that I saw from the crochet braid itself. Now I'm just tying down my edges so that it can lay flat and last me like all day. And I'll be back with the reveals, guys. So this is what the final look is looking like. You guys can see my twist there, yes, but because I did a twist going down, it actually like camouflages with the Marley Twist itself. So you really have to have fast to see it. Okay, so for the fast eyes they won't see it, but if like at a mere glimpse you won't see it. But if you guys really want to conceal that, you know, you can just put it in properly and it won't show. So I'm just going to show you guys like a few styles that you can do with this hair. This here is a side part. You know, we have the simple dimple center part. Now I'm just going to like tie my hair back. Details for this scrunchie will be down in the description box, guys. I bought this off Instagram from Shuzans. I don't want to butcher the name, sorry. I will be linking that down below where you can find this. It's a satin scrunchie, guys. It will like be less harsh on your natural hair, reduce breakage and so on, and it is like so chic and cute. I really like this scrunchie. So you guys can check down the description box to see that Instagram name. This is just a half up, half down style. Yeah, so if you guys really did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much, and thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.